Dave Putz from JKP Holdings. Everybody, have you seen our post regarding are you getting the notifications of available assets, but you have no clue what that means? Well, I'm going to quickly show you what that refers to. So let's just say this is the current assets available, and we have a whole list of assets that you've signed your NDA to receive. What we want to do is to receive any changes to this sheet, including adding edits or even new ones. We want to go to Tools, Notification Rules, and then we want to do any changes made and notify me by either daily or right away, your choice. This is how you set the notifications for the spreadsheet that we have set for the current available assets.